Tired of your Salesforce profile showing that boring default avatar? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly how to upload a professional photo that makes you look like you mean business. First, we will navigate to your profile, then upload and save a new image. Let us dive in. All right, the very first thing you want to do is find your profile. Look all the way up in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. You will see a little circle with your initials or that generic silhouette. Go ahead and click that. Now, you are probably looking at a small drop-down menu with options like Settings, Developer Console, and Sign Out. But here is the thing. We need to get to your full profile page, not just that mini menu. So click on your profile again, specifically on your name or that avatar circle in the drop-down. That will take you to your actual user detail page. Once your profile page loads, you will see your photo sitting there in a circle. It might be the default gray silhouette or maybe an old picture you want to replace. Hover your mouse right over that photo. You will notice a little camera icon appear on top of it. Give that camera icon a click. A window will pop up with a few options. Do not overthink this. You want to click the button that says Update Photo. It is usually right there at the top of that pop-up. Now you will see two choices, Upload Image or Take a Photo. Since we are working with a file we already have on our computer, go ahead and click on Upload Image. This will open up your computer's file browser. This next part is where you get to pick the perfect shot. Navigate to wherever you keep your professional photos on your computer. I personally recommend a clear headshot where your face is well lit and visible. Avoid group photos or pictures with busy backgrounds. Once you find the file you want, select it and click Open or Choose. Salesforce will process it for just a second or two. And here is the really important part. Do not just close the window yet. Look down at the bottom of that pop-up and click the blue Save button. If you forget this step, all of your work disappears and you will be right back to that default avatar. And that is it. Seriously, you are done. Your new profile picture should now be visible next to your name across Salesforce. It is a tiny change, but it makes a massive difference in how your colleagues and clients see you. Go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching.